Hello, so this is the video lecture series of basic VHDL coding for beginners. So if you are with me through this course, you will be learning how to do or how to write basic VHDL coding. And in this video, we are going to learn how to write the behavioral code of a NOR gate. So there are various Boolean gates in digital electronics. These are there are AND gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate, NOT gate, etc. So like that, there is one gate which is called NOR gate. So NOR is nothing but OR gate plus a NOT. So the truth table will be also like an inverted form of a normal OR gate. So when x and y equal to 0, for that case only f will be or output will be 1. For all the other combinations, output will be 0. So this is the truth table of a NOR gate. Now, how to write the behavioral code of a NOR gate? Let us see. So, whenever we are writing VHDL coding, the first thing we write is the library. If you are following me through this video course or lecture series, you will be understanding that the first two things we write on the top of every VHDL code is the library file or library extensions. So, we write it using these two import statements, library IEEE and use IEEE.std underscore logic underscore 1164.all, then followed by an entity. So inside the entity, it is generally like a declaration statement, or in this section, we declare the signals, input signals and output signals. X and Y are the input signals, so we declare them as in std underscore logic. F is the output signal, so we declare it as out std underscore logic. So the same entity name we have to end with an end statement. So entity name is inside the port all the signals and then end entity name. Now let us write the architecture. Architecture name of whatever entity we are going to define here. Use this the same entity name is, then begin. In after the begin we write a process. Inside the process sensitivity list we put the two signals that is actually affecting the output. Then begin. If x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, then f is 1. For all the other conditions, f or output will be equal to 0. Since we are using an if and if, since we are writing the if inside a process, end process, and also end the behavior. Here, the same behavior name we have to use while ending the architecture. Sorry, the same architecture name we have to use while ending the architecture. Now, there is another type of writing the architecture for the same entity, which is a very simple form in which directly we are using the Boolean function NOR. That is, we'll be using the keyword NOR, and with that keyword itself, it will do all the functionality because this NOR is a built-in function inside VHDL. So here, how to write the second architecture? Again, use architecture keyword. Second architecture name, that is behave2 of the same entity name is begin. F is assigned x nor y. So we take the nor operation between the two input signal and the output will be assigning to f. And the architecture name. So this is the second architecture name, which will be same as this. So this is how we write the behavioral code for a NOR gate. So till now we have discussed how to write the behavioral coding of AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. So please continue watching this course or this video lecture series so that we will be getting a better understanding of how to write VHDL coding.